Some interesting birds over there on the island. What are they?
Oh, it's a black cormorant.
I've heard something about the Chinese use these birds to fish.
Yes,
They
I know
use
that.
these birds
yes.
to fish. Okay.
Put a rod on the neck, I think.
Yeah, because the fish is kept in their neck. They put a rope around their neck, and then they tighten the rope off the bird, and the bird spits out the fish.
Exactly.
That's a
Not
complicated. I think a fishing rod works better.
We are just in the north of St.Pierre Island, and the name is Pointe à Henri, and it's an archaeological place, very, very old.
There were also folding and faulting in these rocks. You could see the definite lines where this had occurred. These rocks were millions of years old. We came upon one very fascinating geological formation that was an opening, a hole right in a huge rock like a cave. And we actually drove right through it.
Wow, are those seals over there?
Yes, a harbor seal. We have also grey seals.
How do you know the difference?
Difference, grey seals is very big.
What do they eat?
Generally, they eat cod.
Cod?
Cod,
oh
yeah.
no, that doesn't make it easy for the fishermen, huh?
Yeah.
And do they live here year-round, or?
Harbor seal, yeah. We have about 1,000 harbor seal around the archipelago.
Wow.
It was exhilarating being so close to wildlife, because coming from the city, you don't have the chance to experience these type of things.